Most contractors can tell you how much they billed on a job, but not how much they actually kept after labor, materials, fuel, and extra time get factored in. By the end of this, you'll know how to track profit per job, what costs you need to include, and how to set up a simple system that shows which jobs make money and which ones quietly lose it. Profit per job is not just revenue minus materials. It is the total money left after every cost tied to that specific job is accounted for. The first step is separating job costs from business overhead. Job costs include labor, materials, subcontractors, and job-specific expenses like travel or rentals. Overhead includes things like office rent, software subscriptions, and general business expenses that are not tied to one job. This matters because mixing overhead into every job calculation often hides which individual jobs are actually profitable. The second step is tracking labor accurately per job. Every hour worked should be assigned to a specific project, not just recorded as general work hours. This helps you see whether a job that looked simple on paper actually took more time than expected. The third step is logging materials directly against each job. Instead of grouping purchases together, each material cost should be tied to the specific customer and project. This prevents situations where a job looks profitable on paper, but actually consumed more materials than planned. The fourth step is including hidden costs like fuel, equipment usage, and extra trips. These small expenses often get ignored, but can significantly affect real profit. The fifth step is reviewing profit after job completion. Once all costs are entered, you compare total revenue to total job costs to see actual profit. When comparing systems, the main difference is between manual tracking and integrated job costing tools. Manual tracking usually relies on spreadsheets, which makes it easy to miss expenses or forget labor entries. Job management systems automatically assign costs to jobs, which makes profit tracking more accurate and less dependent on memory or manual entry. The right choice depends on how many jobs you handle. A small operation might start with simple tracking, while growing teams usually benefit from automated job costing systems. A practical next step is to review your last completed job and break down every cost tied to it. Most contractors find that the real profit is different from what they initially expected. If this helped you understand how to track profit per job, like the video, and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of contractor finance and business systems.